Remember the movie Tango and Cash from I think it was like 89 or 1990? There was an expression, F-U-B-A-R, FUBAR. I'll let you think about that. I'll tell you what the meaning of FUBAR means as we go along. Lincoln Navigator. Let's go through here and have us a little look-see here. Now it looks like it's getting new sunroof glass or something. I don't know what happened to its wheels and tires. There's part of its sunroof right there. Or maybe there's part of the old sunroof. I don't know. Up beyond all recognition. FUBAR. No more FUBAR.